The protesting farmers from Delhi borders have now reached Delhi's Jantar Mantar, which is the central Delhi area, to mark opposition to the contentious farm laws. The Kejriwal government has permitted the farmer groups to stage a protest at Jantar Mantar, which is an official protest venue as well. However, security has been now tightened in view of the agitation and in case there is a law and order incident. The Delhi Disaster Management Authority has permitted the farmer groups to protest in a staggered manner. As per the norms laid down by the Delhi government, only 200 protesters will be allowed to stage a protest from 22nd July, which is today, to the 9th of August, but only from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. and not to squat in those areas. Meanwhile, the protesters have been asked to strictly maintain COVID-appropriate behavior, maintain social distancing, wear a mask at all times. Bharatiya Kisan Union Chief Rakesh Tikait has assured also that the protest at Jantar Mantar will remain peaceful, but they will be staging a dharna during the entire session of the parliament.
सरकार ज्यादा सख्त है, इतनी ताकत भी जनता को नहीं देनी चाहिए किसी को। एक कहावत है गांव में, जो झोटा होता है ना भैंसा, जब वो ज्यादा ताकत आ जाए तो जिस खोर में खाना खावे उसे ही डावे सबसे पहले। तो सरकार तो यह जिसने इसको वोट दी ये पहले उसे ही डाली। इनको चाहिए सस्ता अनाज, इनको चाहिए आधे रेट में फसल, इनको तो ये चाहिए। इस तरह के कानून ये बना रहे।
हमारा अगला प्रोग्राम इसके बाद यूपी का मिशन है। यूपी में जाएंगे। यूपी बहुत बड़ी स्टेट है, बीजेपी का हार्टलैंड है। वेस्ट बंगाल में जाके संयुक्त मोर्चा गया तो वहाँ पे बताया बीजेपी को, दे वर डिफीटेड। तो इसलिए यूपी में ही बताएंगे। यूपी मिशन हमारा है, 5 नंबर से शुरू हो रहा है। अगर बीजेपी या सरकार अभी भी किसानों की मांगे नहीं मानती, गलबात नहीं करती, कानून रद्द नहीं करती, तो बहुत बड़ा प्रोग्राम यूपी के अंदर दूसरे प्रांतों में चलेगा, जिसको बीजेपी को देश में से टोटल आइसोलेट कर देंगे और 2024 में इसकी कीमत बीजेपी को उतारनी पड़ेगी।
सारा देश इस बात का साक्षी है कि वो किसानों के हित में है, किसानों के लिए लाभप्रद हैं, किसानों को विकल्प उपलब्ध कराने वाले हैं, उनकी आमदनी में बढ़ोतरी करने वाले हैं, उन्हें कानूनी शिकंजों से मुक्त करने वाले हैं। जहां तक किसान यूनियन के आंदोलन का सवाल है, सरकार ने पूरी संवेदनशीलता के साथ उनसे चर्चा की है। बिल के किस प्रावधान पर उनको आपत्ति है, अगर वो आपत्ति बताएंगे तो आज भी सरकार खुले मन से उनके साथ चर्चा करने को तैयार है।
हम लोग 6 महीने के लिए अपना बैग पैक करके जा रहे हैं और इस दौरान हम इस मानसिकता से जा रहे हैं कि हम जेल जाने के लिए भी तैयार हैं। सरकार को ये लगता है कि थक जाएंगे, झुक जाएंगे, थक कर टूट जाएंगे, लेकिन ये एक बात बता दूं, किसान ने जो फसल बोई है वो अपनी फसल काट के जाएगा। अगर सरकार इस सेशन को आगे भी बढ़ाना चाहे, दिसंबर मार्च तक हम लोग नहीं थकेंगे, बराबर संसद चलाएंगे।
The buses which will be carrying 200 farmers have reached now here at Singhu border from their camp area, the protest venue. Now they have been brought here at the point, and the senior officials of Delhi police are now interacting with the head of the farmer unions. At each farmers union have been asked to provide 5 names, and for till 9th of August, 200 people every day will be ferried out similarly from Singhu border. Remember, at Tikri, at Ghazipur, at Singhu border, at various places the agitation continues, but everyone will have to gather at this point only, at Singhu border. And here, like today, every day these farmers will be taken to Jantar Mantar. And of course, heavy, not this security only, but also the arrangements of ambulance have been placed. With ambulance, a escort vehicle of Delhi police will also escort them to Jantar Mantar. Of course, it's a matter of security, and also the apprehension of any untoward incidents. Remember what had happened on 26 January on the Republic Day. Remember, for last 6 months there have been no dialogues between the government and farmers, and during this parliament session the farmers said they will protest, and after a lot of dialogues, finally the police and authorities agreed to provide them space at Jantar Mantar, but maximum number will be 200. Of course, the farmers have also made some arrangements that there will be only 5 people with their ID card, with their identity properly. One will be a team leader from each farmers group, and now the cavalcade of the farmers, the buses, have reached at Singhu border.
Let's go across directly to Jantar Mantar in central Delhi, a very high-profile location. Aishwarya Paliwal is there. Aishwarya, have the farmers started to reach? What is the number of the gathering? How is the security? I can see women personnel also deployed. Over to you, Aishwarya Paliwal.
Well, Pooja, the security is very tight. There are layers and layers of barricades which have been put in place, and all the security that you see here at Jantar Mantar, a very high-profile area, very close to we're very close to from where all the ministers and everyone stays. Now we are seeing the security because everyone remembers what happened on the 26th of January. And let me tell you, one bus full of farmers, close to 50 farmers, have already reached Jantar Mantar. From what we are hearing at the moment, in another 10-15 minutes, the remaining buses will also make their way. This is the route which we will take, Pooja. We are standing on the route. They will take a U-turn from here, and then the barricades that on that side will be removed. And once the barricades will be removed, the buses will be allowed to go inside. We are still awaiting more farmers to reach. The Delhi police is saying they will make sure social distancing is followed. However, one question still remains. Most of the farmers are not wearing a mask. What will this do once the protest is over? We'll still have to wait and watch. But at the moment, very high security deployed here at Jantar Mantar. Pooja.
And so the protesters have started to arrive. They want the government to repeal the farm laws. But remember, the government has categorically said they are prepared for fresh talks but will not be going back on the farm laws. Aishwarya Paliwal, I'll come back to you shortly. Thank you very much for now. Some more news coming in. Let's take a look.